If you need to change your phone number associated with your Amazon Prime Video account, follow these simple steps to update your information. Step 1. Sign into your account. Go to the Amazon website or open the Amazon app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to your account settings. Once logged in, locate the Accounts and Lists option at the top right corner. Click on it, then select your account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Access your account information. In Account Settings, find the Account Settings section. Click on your account to view your personal information. Step 4. Update your phone number. Look for the Login and Security option. Click on it and you will see your current phone number listed. Click on Edit next to the phone number to make changes. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, make sure to save your changes. You may be asked to verify the new number through a confirmation code sent via SMS. Once you have completed these steps, your phone number on Amazon Prime Video will be successfully updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Amazon customer support for assistance.